Hello and welcome to DIY Kitronics. Today I have just received the smallest amplifier there could exist possibly, as you can see right here. You can see the size of this small amplifier. This is my thumb nail right over here, and this is powered by pulse amplitude modulation chip PAM 8403. I couldn't resist myself as this was very powerful for its small size. I've just connected my TV speakers. These are original Sony from an old TV, and I made this small little amplifier circuit, a temporary one, right over here in this small box. Let me just quickly open this up right here. This is no rocket science, guys. I'll just be explaining you in a minute. Let's first test it out. So I have this NCS music playing over here on my mobile phone. Let's play it from the start, and I'll turn the volume up so I can be compared. This is the maximum volume of the mobile phone. Okay, now let's turn our speaker on right here, and I have powered this from a Samsung adapter. Okay, see how powerful this speaker is. Actually, this is originally made for 3 plus 3 watt, total of 6 watt output power, and powering this smallest chip is super easy. Just look at here. It is mentioned 5 volt. I just powered this from a USB adapter, and I use a resistor to power the LED, just for the indication, guys. And then there comes the left, ground, and right. This is the input signal. I am using this one with this 3.5 mm jack. Ground is common for both left and right, and then output is right output and left output. This is plus and minus mentioned for both of them, and which is done in my case in both of the speakers, right and left. And here it connects right over here somewhere. So I was super excited. I couldn't resist myself to make it, and I wonder if companies would use these ones in the MP3 players or the mini subwoofers, etc. And I'll definitely be using it in my next project somewhere, and will definitely make a video for you guys too. So other than that, you've been watching DIY Kitronics. Thank you so much, guys.